Madam, nasasagot
Please
Madam
wait to be
Chair.
acknowledged. Yes, Honorable Rosas, please
Yes,
proceed.
nagpapasa kayo
Diba,
ng application. Kailangan tama ang nakalagay,
Kung hindi
Madam
mo naman
Chair.
gusto kung paano ako
Ipapaulit
sumagot
sa'yo
at
kapag nagkamali ka.
sumasagot
Ganyan din
ako.
ang
Yes, wait to be acknowledged,
Diba?
Madam Vice President. Isa lang
Hindi
po tayo,
naman
tayo
pwedeng sabihin
magkakaintindihan.
yun na hindi ako sumasagot dahil hindi niya gusto yung sagot ko.
Yes, isa-isa lang po tayo magsasalita. So yes, Honorable Rosas,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
proceed and continue.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, kailan sinabit ng OVP ang liquidation report ng 2022 Confidential Fund sa Intelligence and Confidential Fund Audit Office ng Commission on Audit? Yan, Madam Chair, siguro naman masasagot tayo ng OVP, Madam Chair.
Madam Vice President.
I will forgo the opportunity to defend the OVP 2025 budget proposal. By question and answer, I will leave it to the House of Representatives to decide on the proposal.
Honorable Rosas, proceed please.
Yes, Madam Chair, simple questions of dates, no, Madam Chair, hindi na tayo sinasagot. I don't think so nasasagutin niya tayo sa iba pa. So, Madam Chair, let me run down my questions sa iba pa. Madam Chair, yung pagtanong ko sa kailan sinabmit, tapos kung kaya, ibig sabihin yung liquidation report na dated January 10, 2023, it was only submitted to ICFAO on September 18, 2023. And Madam Chair, pinroses ang confidential funds na ito noong 2022. Tatanungin ko rin sana kung aware ang OVP sa Joint Circular Number 2015-01.
Kindly wind up.
And Madam Chair, for the record, kasi Madam Chair, nakalagay sa item 6.2.2.7 ng Joint Circular, all cash advances for CF, for the confidential fund, or intelligence fund shall be liquidated at year-end, Madam Chair. So yun po yung reason kung bakit natin tinatanong, kasi lumagpas. Ibig sabihin, di nagko-comply ang OVP sa deadline na nakalagay sa joint circular na dapat niliquidate na ang cash advance para sa confidential funds ng 2022 noong December 22 pa lamang, 2022 pa lamang. Yun po yung year-end niya. Pero nakita niyo naman January. So, Madam Chair, those are simple questions na kayang-kayang sagutin ng OVP, but never na sinagot ng OVP, Madam Chair. So, Madam Chair, sana man lang kahit paligoy-ligoy, hindi sinagot talaga Madam Chair. So, thank you, Madam Chair.
Next to interpolate is...
Madam Chair?
Yes.
Yes. Hindi po totoo yung sinasabi ni Representative Rosas na hindi ako sumagot. Hindi sumagot ang Office of the Vice President. We cooperated with the cases in the Supreme Court. There are 4 cases in the Supreme Court. And then we cooperated with all the audit actions of the Commission on Audit.